Mr. Will here. Today I'm going to be walking you through our kids club for this week, Beaded Penguins. So if you've got your beads, your lanyard, and your keychain, let's go get started. Alright friends, and now we are ready to begin. So take your lanyard, fold it in half so you can find the center. I found the center of my loop, and we're going to put it through the keychain ring, and now string the bottom half of your lanyard through there so it's going to catch on to our keychain. Nice and snug. Now, once you've done that, you'll get to start stringing beads on. So, you'll take your two bottom pieces here, and we'll follow our directions. We start with 3 black beads. Now, Mr. John's going to speed up this video, and you guys are going to watch as Mr. Will crafts our bead penguin. All right. And there is our penguin friend. Once you get his or her nice little feet on, go ahead and we'll tie off the bottom. Do, 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 do. What? Come on now, Mr. Will. There we go. Get our friend nice and snugly, and there you are all set with your very own beaded penguin keychain. Now the best part of this project is that you can find lots of different animals to make now. You can make Pokemon, you can make lizards, you can make hundreds of different amazing things. But I think that a penguin is an excellent place to start. Well, thanks for joining us today, friends. Make sure that if you do make your penguin, come and show it to us at Youth Services. I would love to see your beaded penguins. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your week, and I will talk to you all later. Take care, friends. Bye-bye for now.